Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a review of the Tymo curler. I'm really excited to share this with you, but I completely forgot to film an intro, so if you're interested to see how I got on, then just continue to watch. Okay, so first of all, I'm just going to quickly dry my hair. So I will probably put a little bit of my Raise the Root in, just into my roots. My hair is pretty much dry now. It dries so quick. But I will just pop a little bit of this in, just to give it a little bit of volume. I'm not going to blow dry it though. And then I will use my Beauty Works 10-in-1 heat protector. I'll probably put a little bit more of this in when I actually curl it, but pop some of this in for now. And then I'm just going to quickly blast dry it with my Old Faithful. Okay, so we're pretty much dry, so let's open the Tymo Curl Pro Plus. So I am so excited to open this. If you haven't seen this, where have you been? It is all, well, I don't know, it's all over my TikTok, Instagram, everywhere. It's supposed to be like curling for dummies, and I can curl with my straighteners, but that's about it. I've tried wands, and I've got my curling wands and all the jazz, but I'd still go back to my straighteners because I just find it the quickest and easiest. This apparently is going to change my life. So my nail tech's watching me. She's screaming at me for opening boxes of nails. Sorry, Lauren. Okay, so there's, from what I've read on the website, there are 3 different ones that you can get. You can get the Curl Pro. No, you can get the Curl Pro, which is the pink one, which is the one I got my sister-in-law, which is the one my sister-in-law's got. Then you can get the Curl Pro Plus, which is this gold one here, the Lover Gold. And then also you can get a portable one, like a cordless one. So inside you get all your bits, and then this is the actual Tymo. This is, honestly, if you haven't seen this, wait till you see it. It comes very nicely packaged. And then this is it in all its glory. So it's got the power on button. I don't know what this one is. I probably should read the instructions. And then this is which way it curls, like left or right. Where's the instructions? So hold on. Short press to temperature control, long press to turn on and off. Oh, okay. So it's got temperature control as well. Each short press of the power temperature control button increases temperature by 1 level. After reaching the highest level, pressing it again will cycle back to the lowest setting. So it goes 160, 185, 210, which is brilliant because I'll keep mine at 160, keep it low. That's for like my fine hair. Right, so let's plug him in and see how we get on. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Tymo. So, right, I've got no idea what I'm doing. Long press. On. It's got a little LED button here, which I assume is the temperature. Oh, that is to start that. That's what that button's for. This is to change direction, and then if you short press, those are the 3 settings. So I'm just gonna, and I assume it's flashing right now, so I assume that when it gets to that heat, it will stop, and so and carry on like till you get to the heat you desire. So how this works is, get my words out, you're supposed to take a strand of hair, it sucks it into the thing and curls it for you, and that's it. Can you hear the rain outside? Never done this before. It says wash and dry the hair thoroughly, detangle all strands. Detangle all strands. Hold the device in a vertical orientation with the control button facing towards the head and the curl chamber positioned away from the head. So that way. Okay. Section a 3/4 inch to 1 inch strand of hair each time. Place the designated hair section in at a 90-degree angle. Press the rotating button. The hair will automatically drawn into the curl chamber. Upon hearing the auditory signal, remove from the device gently for fine hair. For coarse hair, extend the time by an additional 3 to 5 seconds. Okay, let's just start up here where I can see, because I think that's just going to be the best idea. Right, I won't do my front bits just yet because I always get confused on the front bits. So let's start like here. Let's start here. Right, 90 degrees up to the top. We ready? Oh. No way. No way. Right, okay. Buttons towards my head. That's it. The one thing I like about this is because it's turning, it's like not holding the heat in one place for a long time. So I'm normally would section my hair and do like all different bits, but I thought I'll do it this way because this is like the most foolproof way, like just doing all the hair that you can see instead of like sectioning it off. This is crazy. I think I should do the sections a little bit bigger, just so it's a little, like, so when I brush it out, I don't know though. I think that was a little bit too big. Don't know. We shall see. Oh no. Oh. Look at these. Okay. Let's put a bit of my extension in. Go a bit thicker on these because my extension should. I'm actually getting the hang of putting my hair in better than I thought I would be. I thought I'd be like all fingers and thumbs. Exceeding expectation right now. This is so easy. I don't actually know what to say. I'm a little bit speechless. It's not tangling in my hair or grabbing any other hairs or... So like, for example, like how I've done it, I haven't sectioned it off. I'm just going to grab these bits here. So like underneath. So I've pushed it into my hair now. It's not grabbing anything out. I can feel the barrel turning, but it's not like snagging my hair or putting... Because once... Does anyone remember those other ones? Was it Babyliss that used to do one that used to feed the hair in? My hair got stuck in one of those once. So I was a little bit hesitant to try this. But now, do I curl my short bits? I don't know. Right, now do I do this bit? God, I don't know. I was a bit hesitant doing my bangy bits because it could ruin it. Let's just try and do the whole thing. Pray for me. See what happens. Don't think it's gone. Is it all gone in? Probably not advised me shoving my fingers in there, really, is it? Hey, you know what? That's not too shabby either. Look at that. How easy was that? Right. Let's switch the angle and do the other side. And also I'm going to try and grab some of the back bits. Ow. Did you see me hit myself in the head then? Got the hang of it now, have you noticed? Oh my gosh, it's so easy. I'm actually a little bit bored. It's that easy. I'm just sitting. I feel like I'm just sitting here. Okay, so I'm done, and oh, apart from this little bit here, hold the phone. Just seen a little waif and stray in there, look. Okay, this has been that easy. I've got bored. I've got bored doing it because there's no like, and then like this, like my arms aren't aching because look at it. I think this is the curliest my hair has ever been. I'm almost debating whether to brush it out. I'll show you the back. I don't even know what the back looks like, to be honest. I hope I've got everything. But I've just like picked bits. And I mean, I think those curls look insane. Right, so we're pretty cool now. I don't want to brush it out. I'm actually really loving all the curl. I'm gonna just for the process. And then whenever I brush them out, I'm like, oh yeah, I should have done that. Okay, what I'm going to do now, right, I'm going to shove my head upside down and I'm going to use my Colour Wow Style on Steroids. Enough room for me to be doing this, to be honest. Okay. Wowza. Now, this is the side I started on, which I clearly wasn't getting the hang of it. This side, where I've like mastered the art, I'm loving. I need to get like, maybe I need to do another couple of bits on this side because this side looks phenomenal. Look at that. Oh, I'm really impressed. And I love the colour of this one. They do it in pink as well. That's the normal one. This is, and it's not really that hot because this bit is all plastic. It's only the barrel inside that's hot, which obviously not. Yeah, so there's 3 different ones. There's the pink one, there's the gold one, which is the Curl Pro Plus. Now, let me see if I've got a discount code for you. She says. Phone doesn't even recognise me. Yes, it's because my hair looks good. It's so used to seeing me look like death. Okay, so yes, I get 20% off with my link now. I think you have to click on the link below. There is a code here that says Juliette 02320. But I don't think that's like a code. I think you have to click the link and then you save 20%. So I need to work that out now, don't I? So your Tymo you've got is £94.99. That's the plus. Then you've got the Tymo Curl Pro pink one, which is £59.99. They also do it in grey actually as well. Look, can you see the grey one? This is a grey one, a pink one, and then the Curl Go is £77.99. So let me just see what the difference is between the £59.99 and the one that I've got. The plus has got a longer barrel here, so it's better for longer hair. And then you've got the Curl Pro, which is the same, but it's pink, and this barrel isn't as long. So that one's £59.99. So with my 20% off, quick math, Juliet, that's £12 off, right? So it's 48 quid. That's so good for a curler, £48. So I'll leave my link below. Honest review, I really, really love this. I feel like if I'm going to curl my hair, this is really simple, really easy. And one of the main things that I love about it, and this is going to sound so mommy now, but it's the fact that because it's not hot, when you finished using it, I wouldn't stress as much. I don't know how many guys, how many of you out there, how many times you check your straighteners are off. It freaks me out. I always remember once, right, this is story time, we were going to pick Samson up and I'd done my hair on the morning in our bedroom. I used to sit on the carpet next to the mirror and I'd curled my hair with my straighteners, and I always used to put them on a heat mat anyway, but I just had the worst feeling that I hadn't turned them off. And I know they have an automatic shut off, but with ceramic plates, when they're that hot on carpet, I was paranoid the whole way there. And luckily I remember we'd got our new Alexa Echo and we haven't got it in there anymore, but I remembered that I'd left the camera open so I could click, so I could sign in, and so I was checking the room for smoke. And I was panicking because I was thinking, no one's got a key. What if I've left my straighteners on? So I actually love the fact that this is not hot on the on the side, or if you had it on a carpet. I know that's a really not a selling point for everybody, but for me, I love that it's like from little hands as well. Like even that internal barrel, this one here, the one that swivels, that isn't hot at all, that plastic bit. It's only the ceramic tube inside. So if you've got like little hands around, that's a bonus as well. So yeah, let me know what you think, guys. I think I need to have a couple more goes. I think this side isn't as good as this side, but for my first attempt, not knowing what the hell I was doing, I will take that. I'm going to put a little bit of hairspray on because my hair does not last in any kind of curl at all anyway. But yeah, I'm really pleased with that. I'll leave a link below. And until next time, guys, take care. Bye.